In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book appointment in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard for the correct account or location. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu used to access different tools inside the platform. From that left menu, click on Calendars. This will take you into the scheduling area where you can manage appointments, availability, and calendar-related activity. If you're new to this section, don't worry, everything you need for booking an appointment is grouped here. After the Calendars page opens, move to the top menu and click on Appointment List View. This view makes it easier to create and review appointments in a simple list format, especially if you want a clear overview of upcoming bookings instead of a full calendar layout. Once you're in the appointment list view, go to the right-hand side and click on New Appointment. This opens the booking form where you'll enter the appointment details. At this stage, it's important to fill out each field carefully so the booking is accurate and easy to track later. First, select a calendar. Choose the calendar that matches the type of appointment you want to book. This matters because the calendar can control things like availability, scheduling rules, and where the appointment appears. Next, add the appointment title. Use a title that clearly identifies the purpose of the meeting. Keeping titles specific can help you and your team quickly recognize appointments at a glance. After that, add the date and time for the appointment. Make sure you choose the correct day and double check the time before moving on. This helps avoid scheduling conflicts or confusion later. Then select an available slot. The slot confirms the exact opening you want to reserve within that calendar. If multiple options appear, choose the one that best fits the intended schedule. Next, select the contact for the appointment. This links the booking to the correct person in your system, which is important for records, reminders, and follow-up communication. After selecting the contact, add the status. This helps define the current state of the appointment, so your team can understand whether it's confirmed, pending, or in another stage based on your workflow. Once everything is filled in and reviewed, click on Book Appointment. That final step saves the booking and places it into your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully booked an appointment in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, always take a few extra seconds to review the calendar, contact, date, and status before confirming, just to make sure everything is correct.